All right, so to delineate a drainage basin, first of all, a drainage basin is going to be the area that water falls in, and that water then drains into a known body of water, such as Nickajack Lake. And then the divide, the drainage divide, is going to be the line that connects the highest points along the drainage basin. So on one side of a divide, water will fall into one basin, and on the other side of the divide, water will fall into another. So how do we find the extent of our drainage divide? If I ask you to map the drainage divide.
Don't a lot of people follow roads, kind of maybe to start with?
Okay, so that's a good thing to know, but we're going to get to that in a second. If we don't have any roads, what by definition is the drainage divide? What does it have to be? It has to be the high points.
Okay, yeah, so the top, so the smallest circle.
Right, so you want to look to make dots and connect them of the highest elevation. So what I've got here is a hypothetical drawing of some contour lines. And you can see that here we have a high point because we know that we have a closed circle. Here as well, and here as well. And here as well. Very good. Okay. The way that, one way to do this is to follow back streams until they end, and then that is going to be your high points as well. So if I see that I have a rule of V's here, see that rule of V?
Yes.
Or see that V in a contour, and there, and there, and there? So if I trace that stream up, somewhere about there, and so on, you can see that we end up with this nice radial pattern that shows about where our high spots are. So then if we connect these high spots and the ends of our streams, we should be very close to our drainage divide line. The way you can test it is once you have a line drawn, you can then take a drop of rainwater and put it somewhere, and then follow to see which direction is it going to flow. Looking at this pattern here, Lucy, which direction is this raindrop going to flow? Is it going to flow south or north? South. Why is it going to flow south?
Because water goes down.
Because water runs downhill. We know that we've got it going downhill this way, so this is going to flow in this direction. What if we put here?
It will go the other direction.
It'll go northish,
Yeah.
right? Because this way is downhill. Exactly. So,
I want to say north because it's not going upward.
right. Okay,
Is
so
the green line the divide?
yes.
Or just
Yes, green line is the divide, blue lines are streams. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this example and we're going to look at our topographic map and draw a real drainage divide based on elevations.